In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make money selling affiliate products on Facebook ad. It's going to be a step-by-step tutorial. So let's get started. So before I begin, guys, my name is Yavar Khan. I create a lot of videos on how to make money online. Simple, straightforward way. So let's get started. So before I begin, guys, if you really like the video, please consider subscribing and leave your comments. And now let's get started. So first things first, guys, as you could see on my screen, you can go on clickbank. Again, it's an affiliate marketplace. You can choose other websites as well. First things first, we need to choose our offer. It can be weight loss offer, it can be keto offer. There are a lot, like, wealth manifestation, how to make money online. So just decide your niche. Okay, so all you have to do is just go on Facebook. So first things first, so the niche I chose was, law of attraction, manifestation. Okay, so these were my niche. Okay, so again, just join the groups and you need to check what's working over there. Okay, again, you need to see success leaves clues, right? So you need to check what people are mostly engaging with, where are the most likes. So as you could see over here, if I could see over here, everything you lost is coming back in double. Make mark my words, starting from this. Okay, so now he's promoting manifestation product. So literally you could just go on clickbank over here. If you type midas, you will find this one. Okay, so again, this is the one he's promoting, this one. Okay, I open this. So he's promoting the same product, right? Yeah. So now, again, if I go on another group, so again, this one is really good. If I go over here, this one is really good, like next 30 minutes. So all you have to do is just copy this thing. Okay, put your own link. Okay, so create your own page. So let's say this is my page. Again, this is some random page I created just to show you. So this is some ad which I created and I have posted this on ads. Okay, so literally people are clicking on it, and you can just paste over here and just click on boost my post. So I can show you an example. Literally all you have to do is just copy this thing. Okay, so and just paste it over here. I'll change the image. So again, this is my image, right? So I can just post it. Once I post it, all you have to do is just boost the post, right? So just click on boost post, and then you can literally say, I just want to click on learn more. You can put your website link. You can choose your demographic. Okay, so I've already done it. People who match love and astrology. And again, you can do $35 depending on your budget. You could do and post it. I'll show you a live example as well. Let me go back. And then if I just go over here, see insights of ads. So literally, I just boosted this thing. And if I check on total impression, reach, engagement, so 94 people have clicked my link, right? So again, this would convert as well. So you can do it in any niche you want. Okay, let me go back on Facebook. Let me search keto. Okay, now there are a lot of groups coming in. All you have to do is keto for beginners 31k, 66k. Just open it up, keto and low carb recipes, and then you could see what's working really well, right? What people are engaging. So on this one, you could see people are like 902 comments, 163 shares, 527 comments. So which means people are engaging. So same thing, you need to find similar post where people are sharing a lot, and then you can promote and boost that post. Okay, so let me go back on keto recipes or how to make money online. So literally you could see where people are 50 comments. Okay, so again, you can create an ad, right? Attention all foodies who needs a free keto recipe book. All you have to do is raise your hand and you can boost that post. And when you go on clickbank, when you just type keto, you can find a free ebook over here as well. So if I go on gravity high, custom keto, if I go on the affiliate page, if I just type anything like this, Yavar, okay, click over here. I'm sure I'm gonna find a free keto Okay, if I go over here, upsell, promotional material, how to place your pixel, sales page, landing page. So see, I can download this free keto recipe over here, and then I can just boost it, and I can tell them, download your free delicious easy keto recipes, and I could get their leads, right? So it's very simple. You could do it with any other niche as well. The one I did was for law of attraction, and you could do, literally you could do it for this, you could do it for anything, right? I come over here, I can see other posts as well, like the ones which are getting a lot of shares, 174 comments, 84 comments. Let me scroll down or go over here. Yeah, so you can create and add something like this, and you can boost the post and start making money. And I think so this is how it is, right? So this is one of the strategies which you could use. So yeah, like let's say, okay, let me go back on recent media. So you see 43 comments, people are commenting on it. You can boost this post and start letting people click on your link, and you can make commission out of it. So this is one of the strategies. Again, it's a paid strategy. You need some money, but you can promote clickbank products with this and start making money. And I hope you really like this video. Please consider subscribing, and Yavar Khan signing off.